Okay, good morning everyone. Just about 5 to 7, Thursday the 13th of October, and we're on the Australian dollar, US dollar. So looking at this market for today, um, well, as per the Sunday analysis video that we did, I was looking for this market to come down into key support levels, down here and down here, which is exactly what the market has now done. It's fallen into these levels, rejecting off of the sloping resistance. Now that we're down here, I am watching for bullish reactions to get long in this market. The reason still being on the back of people looking at this as a head and shoulders pattern, and also it being a strong support level, and also the MA200 on the daily time frame being just below this area, which tends to show a reaction when people are trying to continue a trend. So above the MA200 is considered an uptrend. And what you can see is when you return to it, quite often you see reactions. Not always, sometimes you're just going to crash through it. Sometimes you're just going to crash through it like this. Nothing in trading happens every single time, but you often see these reactions tied in with all the other factors today. It's a strong probability we're going to see some sort of a reaction down at either of these levels. So really for me, those are the main trades I'm looking for. This level right here, or this level right here, would be my preferred trades, and I am watching early morning for those reactions. Up above, have resistance levels, but really the main resistance level, again for me, would be lining up with the sloping resistance up towards sort of 7625. That's pretty much everything I'm looking at for today. Essentially everything from the Sunday video has played out. So now I'm just looking to see if we get those reactions, looking at the head and shoulders pattern. Hopefully a nice early morning trade. If we see that, we can finish nice and early. But of course, we need the price action first. Okay, guys, I'll come back at around about 4:30. I'll have a look at the market, go over what it did for the trading day. Zone traders, I'll take you through potential setups. And then we'll have a look at what it is suggesting for the market moving forward. Okay, we're at 20 past 4, so let's have a look at the Australian dollar, US dollar for today. As per Sunday's analysis, with the sloping resistance line right here, whilst the market was below this level, I was looking for a price to come down into the key support areas below, whereby I expected bulls to step into the market because of key support levels, because of the MA200, and on the back of expectations of this move being a head and shoulders pattern. So shoulder, head, and second shoulder. It's exactly what we have seen today. For me, today on the Australian dollar was actually, relatively frustrating. Okay, so early morning, the market came down. For me, it just broke out of the level a little bit too much. So my long positions became invalid, and I essentially just had to watch the market push up higher, all the way up into the above zone. For me, it's more important to stick to the trading plan. Sometimes you're going to miss trades. It's just part of trading. What's much worse is trying to jump onto a move late, or making up reasons for a trade because you think you know what is going to happen. 9 times out of 10, if I jumped in, let's say after this candle, the market would have just reversed and turned against me. And the trading plan is there to protect you guys. So you want to make sure you have one, and you want to make sure you follow it. Market came up. I basically had a Skype call right here at 1 o'clock. Whilst on the Skype call, short position at 120 set up right here. Zone traders, you're just looking at your management point right here, targeting the zone below. It's exactly what happens. For me, I missed the trade, as mentioned. I was on a Skype call, so the market came down. I was watching for potential long positions here as a continuation of the bullish run. Then we had the pullback. I was looking for the position here. I just didn't get the good price action that I was looking for, and up went the market. So basically for me, what I did was round about here, my alarm went off for the FTSE 100. It approached a key support level, and I just took my trade off of that market for today. I like to trade off of the same market that I'm doing the review from, but for today, I missed the main trade at 120 because I was on Skype, so I just took the trade from the FTSE. The market then pushed back up. You do get a sell position right here. You're just watching all the lows again. You've just created, you've got your management point here from earlier. Then you have your lows. It's exactly where the market comes to before reversing. So all in all, pretty much everything we were looking at for the Australian dollar came into play today. But for me on the market, it was a frustrating day. Okay guys, so as always, I hope that was helpful. I'm James Orr, and thank you.